Welcome to Bombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limbo Muharaj. I'm in Bombela Stadium to witness the Petro Premiership clash between Orlando Pirates and Orbit College. A game has just concluded with a scoreline of 2-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates, seeing them being crowned the new Petro Premiership champions. Last game of the season, 2025-2026 season. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Talento.
Bombela Stadium love Orlando Pirates Football Club. Bombela Stadium love Orlando Pirates Football Club.
Sure.
Guess what? MTN 8 Cup. Reach me the move. Besivula.
Yeah.
She started open for the season.
Sure.
Today we close.
Sure.
Petro sivala khona la ekhaya.
Sure.
Sigeza thola 6 goals.
Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
Siyakhumbula sifuna iMbombela sishawa 6-1 la. Kwakubuhlungu kakhulu. Sishawa Super Sport. Kwakubuhlungu kakhulu, but today we are the champions.
Yeah.
If Orlando Pirates is a track,
Yeah.
allow it kill me.
Yeah.
Allow it kill me.
Yeah.
Because I love Pirates.
Yeah.
It's like alcohol to me.
Yeah.
Exactly. Allow Pirates kill me if Pirates is a track. It's a happiness. Let's congratulate Mute
Yeah.
for the first time. This is the first season.
Yeah.
Usena triple.
Yeah.
Triple for Mute.
Yeah.
And the tomb. Ipetwe, now and then we keep trying. At end of the day, we are the champions.
Yeah.
We like Arsenal.
Yeah.
We like Canas now.
Yeah.
Canas after 20 years.
Yeah. 22, but
22 years.
Yeah.
Now he's a champ.
Yeah.
For us, it's 14 years.
Yeah.
But now we are the champ.
Nibambele ngeto leyi one no tune sponsor show Adidas.
Adidas iyaroka. Boga. Abo Vodacom bayaroka. Abo Suzuki bayaroka. Asiphi sponsors ngaroki kwa Paris. Everything iyaroka. Paris himself iyaroka. Mabas. It's happiness mfowethu.
Mabasa ngasekuphukile ngokujabula. Ngabona umakalapha unalutho ingone yakajwaki isasekhona. Injabulo nganginayo ne. Ngangingazi ukuthi ngijive yiphi ingoma. Ngisho injabulo ngangina kuphuke nomakalapha. Umabasa usosele ngama piece. Injabulo kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi Pirates izongenzela umuntu. Yobona umabasa. Ngawo umabasa ngokujabula futhi ayikho into engizoyenza. Ngijabule kakhulu. Ngawo umabasa uphukile. Rest in peace mabasa. Ngokujabula.
Happiness, rest in peace. Rest in peace,
Mabas. Ngishilo ukuthi mangabe impilo yethu ephelele eMbombela sofela khona. Ngakho kuMabas ufele eMbombela.
Ufayile umsebenzi wendakalile.
Isocial phela emsebenzini yakhe. uMabas uphelele eMbombela na. Ngiyabonga mina ngibonga iPirates nalo msebenzi esiwenzi nobaba Jwaka.
Mabas.
Labafana kade sibaphusha thina ngisapho.
Viva ngeMbombela fantastic media viva ngeMbombela Fanatics media viva iyaroka Mbombela iyaroka Mbombela iyaroka la Paris halala ngibongiseni sebuze wahlanga halala ngibongiseni anibongiseni sithi sekuze wahlanga halala anibongiseni sithi halala anibongiseni sithi CBC captain fantastic 3 cups. Thank you CBC.
Nahana sibisa inkile. Nahana sibisa inkile. Waputting chair. Belena nuchair. Ake ngikubambe kancane. Waputting chair. uNkulunkulu esimthandaza singama Pirates uyasiphilela. Khona abantu bathi nahana sibisa inkile ekhaya.
Asamnahani no.
Nahana sibika inkile ekhaya. Nahana sibisa inkile ekhaya. uNkulunkulu uyasiphilela singamabhakani. Usibonisile namhlanje.
Imithandazo ye-GNU dololo.
Imithandazo ye-GNU dololo. bathi badliwe last game yabo khambeni.
Hey, yazi ikhona man, ikhona kani mameleni kancane. Kani mameleni. Ukhona nje into endifuna uyidlulise encane. Ukhona nje ingoma entsha ethi ulamthuthu akayazi iphethweyi. 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 Ulamthuthu akayazi wayiwina iphethweyi. Akayazi iphethweyi.
Butcher Bucks kokugcina ngembi kokuthi ngikwekele imessage lonayo tobalandzeli beOrlando Pirates nakhona abalandzeli bakhona bala imbombela nayo iMpumalanga province as a whole njengoba namhla iphumile ngetinkani yetha kodwa seka lona liqembu leOrlando Pirates kulomlandvo lebenziwenda namuhla.
First of all, let me thank you with structures aseMpumalanga sabalandeli bePirates of which namanje babhizi ngomsebenzi omuhle wokulontsha ama-branch. Ngikhuluma nawe nje nge-state i-structures aseMpumalanga sizabe siphume all out ama-branch wonke aseMpumalanga eya eSekunda ukuyo-welcome iSekunda kuyolontsha official of which yona lo msebenzi oyibona ama-sold out enzeka because we are working underground. Abantu mabona ama-sold out, so we starting for lower level ema-branchini so sishumela ivangeli. Ngithi ngibonga kakhulu kuwo wonke ama-branch aseMpumalanga and nama-branch abesuka outside Mpumalanga aphume all out azofika la ngoba abekhona wonke ama-province. Bekhona Western Cape, Eastern Cape, Free State, Northern Cape, KZN, Limpopo, Northern Cape, Northwest. Bebekhona bonke Gauteng, as you know. Wonke ama-province abezoroka la eMpumalanga. Abantu kumele baziloko somabhizinisi even municipality. If iPirates izala ngizocela i-request enkulu kwabaka traffic department.
Sure.
Ukuhlukumezeka esikuthola eMiddelburg Plaza kubhlungu kakhulu and basifuna ama-permit. Uyabona makwenziwa i-corruption with style eMiddelburg eToll Plaza. Uyabona manje allow me to say I wish amabhakania is-speed recovering. Mase sizongena la eMbombela sezoqala igame bekhona is a terrible accident and amabhakania alimele nje kakhulu. I will try namanje ngifande out ukuthi abesuka kuphi ngoba imoto yabo beyidecorate just ngele khuzana hayi ngebhena lawo ama-branch kanti ngelokhu ngelinye nje lapho bene brand yePirates. Bokukubi angikwazanga nokuthi ngime ngibheke kodwa ngibona nje kubi ngikwazi ukuthi imoto angeke saphinde zilunge. Ngithi kule ama-family azathi methola amafoni ukuthi imindeni yawo ikuleya nkinga ingane zabo zibe speed recovery. Uma seke sisuka sizo-enjoya u-90 minutes seke suka ukuzela for fun nokuthi hayi impilo zethu ukuthi ziphelele endleleni kodwa-ke only God knows. Ngizama nje ukuthi-ke wonke ama-branch kumele agadane kwi-long trip because into ezinjengasithandi bazenzeke siphuma ngemthandazo masuka endaweni zethu ukuthi uNkulunkulu simcele kwenzekile namhlanje but ngithi kule amendeni yonke elinyalelo lezahlobo we wish a speed recovery bobonke uNkulunkulu abapholisa amanxeba bese ngithi cha salute sibesovala namhlanje iPathway. Ngithi kubalandeli baseMpumalanga kuma branch waseMpumalanga guess what bokusuka neWillbank Kaizer Chiefs branch is cross Willbank Kaizer Chiefs branch was here to celebrate the victory of Orlando Pirates Football Club. Bancame kungayi eDurban because they are know very well good the enjoyment is here. Like now Quinda is here 87 for Kaizer Chiefs. This guy is a diehard of Kaizer Chiefs. But ubonile ukuthi ukwesta imali yakhe aye eMoses Mabhida ubumnandi bula aka convince abantu akashikela iduza no it's fine ngiza lapho kumnandi khona my friend thank you very much.
Yeah, but Mr. Joa sewuyanjikela namhlanje
kumele
ngikusupport kanje
iyona phela thank you
ngikusupport namhlanje uyanjikela
ngibuya futhi kumina mngani ngithe kwana ngiyakubonga akimtshana mabhakaneni nonke balandeli kwembombela fantastic ngithe ngibonga iRichards Bay engithema sengithandaza kathi Thixo sengizothandaza nje nabo lamthuthu abantu ongamele ngibathandaza ukuze sithathe iBetway ngathi ngiyayibonga iRichards Bay ezamile ukuzabalaza ukuthi Stop Sundowns walandela iStellenbosch sazabalaza ukustop Sundowns weza iKaizer Chiefs ngeke ngizambiza ngoba phela uhonored wazabalaza ukustop Sundowns kodwa iTS Galaxy ashani izandla bafowethu yona eyenze namhlanje yabo iPirates yama champions iqembu la bamdumuza umuntu waSundowns bamthi dumu what made Papa guess what uKadoso uphelile umsebenzi ngenxa yeTS Galaxy mayibuya nje uKadoso le eMorocco umsebenzi uphelile mfowethu siyayibonga TS Galaxy Team Msukazi siyabonga boy siyabonga if bonga ishanga Sundowns besoba yini ezweni besoba yini ezweni ukuyishaya kwakho iSundowns uthe mabhakaniya nali cup selike museni wenu siyabonga thank you sikuhonorile silithathile we are the witness size lawa ushayele khona iSundowns ukuzo celebrate icup ngendlela usebenze ngakhona thank you very much Team Msukazi and TS Galaxy thank you